All right, guys, welcome back. It's another week, and I'm up again. Yeah, I took a trade on gold, and as you can see, this trade is currently running on profit, right? As you can see, I took this trade on gold, buy trade on gold, and I'm currently in profit. You can see $2 up, right? And let me show you on my trading view where I actually took this trade from. Okay, all right. Actually, take this trade from somewhere here. Stop loss below. All right, and actually targeting somewhere here, right? Just 2 hours on this trade. So currently I'm in profit right now. So let's just see how this plays, right? Hopefully it's going to hit TP. Let's just see how it's going to play. I'll keep you guys updated. Yo guys, I could not update you guys yesterday on the trade I took, so today is Tuesday. I'm going to be updating you guys. This was the trade I took yesterday, and it happens to be a loss, right? And as you can see it right here, I took the trade, it went into profit immediately and later reversed and hit my stop loss. So that's it, and let me show you on my MT5, right? I took loss of $5, right? $5.23, as you can see right here. That was the loss I took yesterday. That left my balance at 986, right? It was at 991 right now. It's currently at 986 right now. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be waiting for trade today. I'm currently price is just trending upward, and I've not seen any trade. Like I said, I do trade the New York session, and it's almost time for the New York session. So let's just see what gold is going to do right now. Let's see what gold is going to do. So I'll keep you guys updated immediately I see any trade. I just really hope I will not be busy by then, so I'm going to update you guys. All right guys, yeah, I'm going in for sales right now on gold. Let's get that shit done. All right, I'm selling gold right now. Stop loss right here. Let me make it 5 pips stop, $5 stop loss, right? So as you can see, that's my stop loss right there. I took this trade right from here. So let's see how this plays, right? Let's see how this plays, right? Let me set my TP. Yeah, so right there. So I'm going to be taking my TP right there. So let's see how this plays. Right? Yeah, I'll keep you guys updated. All right, I just got stopped out on this trade, right? It went into profit and went back to hit my stop loss, right? So I took a loss on this right now. Let me show you. This is the loss. I took $5 loss, right? $5.15 for loss. So it is what it is. My balance is sitting at 981. So let's just say I might still look for setup today because I still need to use like 0.01 again. So let's just see how it goes. All right, since price broke above that zone, so I'll be going in on a buy if it comes back to that zone, right? If it comes back to this zone right here, I'll be going in on a buy. All right, so I'm just going to wait patiently, and let's see how it plays. All right, I took this trade, and currently this trade has been ranging for a long time. So right now I'm just going to close this trade right now. So let's just close right now in profit. Okay, or probably I should just close this one position and leave this to run, right? Or there are still, let me allow this to run. All right guys, welcome back. Today is Wednesday and today is CPI, but the news has already happened, right? So I'm going to quickly update you guys on the trade I took yesterday. I took a sell, right? And the sell went back to hit my stop loss, right? It stopped me out, right? And I was anticipating to go in for a buy, which was from this level, right? And as you can see, price came back to that zone exactly just as I anticipated, and I went in for the buys, right? And I took 2 positions on the buys, and I saw that price was just consolidating, and I closed one position because that one was far from my initial entry, right? So I closed one position, right? I think the entry was around here, and I closed that position. I left the one under to run, right? So price came all the way to this point and start dropping. So I'm getting here, I had to close into little profit, right? Let's just say break even, right? So I closed the position just because I know today is CPI, so I had to just close that position, right? Let me quickly show you on my MT5, right? as you can see, this was the first position I closed 0.03 cents, right? So this is the second position I closed with $1.28, right? Just because of how the market was, right? So it is what it is. I'm still currently in a drawdown. Currently my balance is 982, right? My balance is 982. So right now I'm looking for trades, sell position, but price is doing, yeah, it's not giving me what I want, but hoping to sell, right? If price can break below that zone, right, I'm just going to sell from there, right? I'm just going to sell from there, but let's just see what price is going to do. Price is still showing signs as if it's going up, but I'm just going to wait patiently. But if it does not break below that zone, then I'm not going in. I'm not going in, right? I'm not going in. So let's just see what price does. I'll keep you guys updated. All right, guys. Price did not break below that zone. Rather, price broke above. So right now I'm buying gold. All right, I'm buying gold right now. So let's just see how this plays. As you can see, this is where I bought from, right? And currently it's going down against me. So I'm just going to hold this position. Let's just see how it goes. So from my MT5, you can see it. I took 2 positions, right? Currently in the drawdown right now. Now let's just see how it goes. Let's see how this plays, right? I'll keep you guys updated. Guys, this level, right, this line right here, I'm going to close one position, right? Then I'm going to allow the other one to run. Maybe I'm going to be closing that here, right here. Let's just see how it plays, guys. Yo guys, welcome back. Today is actually a good day, right, guys? As you can see, the trade I took earlier smashed TP, right? As you can see, I took this trade from right this point. Like I said, I was initially looking for sell, right? I was looking for sell position, but price broke above instead, and I took the buys, right? Immediately I take that buy, price started to come down a little bit, so I just have to wait, hold on to my position, and price went straight into profits, right? And as you can see, price has smashed TP. When price got to this exact line, I closed one position. I closed one of the position and allowed the remaining to run. So I initially set my TP around this area. So price reversed a little bit, coming back to retest that zone and continue upward. As you can see, the market is bullish, very bullish. So let me show you that on my MT5, right? So as you can see, I'm back to initial balance. Yeah, I'm back to break even, right? So this is the trade I took today, and as you can see, this was the partial profit I closed earlier before the trade hit TP. As you can see, this was the one that hit TP, about $11.57, right? And this was the partial I closed. All together is $17, right? About almost $18, right? So like I said, today is a good day, and I'm back, guys. I'm back to initial balance, $1,000. So right now I'll be aiming to make profit on this account and withdraw. So let's see how it goes, guys. Let's just see how it goes. Tomorrow is Thursday, so I still have Thursday, Friday to trade on this account, and next week, yeah. So the thing is that if this if I can trade this account from tomorrow, Thursday, Friday, and next week, and I'm able to bring it up, right? Maybe I'm making profit on the account about maybe 2% and above. 2% is $20, right? So if I can make 2% and above, I'm going to be making withdrawal, right? Yeah, I'm going to be making withdrawal on this account if I'm up about 2% and above. Depends on how the market condition is, right? So it is what it is. I'll keep you guys updated. We still have a few days in the week, right? So I'm just going to wait for tomorrow and next tomorrow and see if I'm going to see any setup. All right, stay tuned. Yo guys, welcome back. It's actually a new day and it's Friday, right? I took a trade yesterday, which was Thursday, and let me show you how the trade went, right? So as you can see, this is my gold, the 15-minute time frame, the gold chart, 15-minute time frame, and as you can see, this was the trade I took yesterday, right? So So I took this trade from this area right here. I took a buy on gold, and price just went into little profit and reversed on me. It went down to hit my stop loss and immediately start going to the direction I initially was planning it to go, right? As you can see, this was how price did, right? So what happened was that I took the buy, price went into profit a little and stopped me out first. If you look clearly, I was stopped out from this point right here. Let me do this. This was where I was first stopped out, right? You can see just stopped out and went back up. So I went in, I go in on this position again right here now, and price still came down to stop me out, right? That's the second time, and I was like, should I go in the third time? I was just contemplating, so I just ignored it. And first I was trying to maintain my emotions, my psychology, so I won't overtrade, right? So that was why I just ignored it and I didn't go in again. If I had gone in, it would have been a win trade, but I just avoided that over trading and I avoided revenge trading, right? So that's that for that. Let me show you on my MT5, right? So like, as you all know, I came back to break even, but this was the trade I took, right? These two positions, right? As you can see it, and I got stopped out, right? The two positions I took, 0.01, I was risking $10, right? To make $20, but when price stopped me out, then I had to enter again, risking same $10, right? But immediately I saw that momentum price going against me, I closed immediately. So I got about $7 loss, right, with the second position, which is these two right here. So as you can see, in total I took 0.014, right? Though I entered this 0.01 twice for the first trade, and I entered this 0.01 twice again for the second trade. So that's that for that. I lost a total of about $17 to $18 yesterday. So I'm now down again. I'm down again 9. My current balance is 982. So it is what it is. Right now I'm looking for trades, right? I'm looking for trades, and it's not 8 o'clock yet, so I'm just waiting for 8 o'clock and see. I do trade the New York session, but now I want to see what the London section will have for me. So I might enter one position now, and anything that happens, I'm going to be looking for second entry during the New York session. That's what I'm going to be doing. So let's just see how this plays, right? Let's see how it plays. I'm just looking and looking. As you all know, gold has made a new high, so I'm just looking for buys right now. But let's just see how it plays, guys. I'll keep it there. All right, guys, I just set the buy limit on gold, and as you can see, this is the 50-minute time frame. So, and I think the trade has been triggered, right? So let me show you my MT5. I'm just using 0.01 on this. So as you can see, this was where I set the buy limit, and the trade has been triggered 0.01. I'm currently in a drawdown, but let's just see how these things play, right? And it's currently 8:45 right now, so I'm just going to wait patiently and see how this is going to play. And if this eventually goes into profit, I'm going to be holding throughout the London session and New York session, because I expect gold to buy and make new highs, right? So I'm going to be holding this for long, right? Let's just see how it plays. And if I find setup again during the New York session, I might add one more position, right? And I'm still going in for the buys. So let's just see how it plays, guys. All right, guys, here's a quick update on the trade I took earlier today. As you can see, I took this buy on gold, and as you can see, I'm in profit right now. Just immediately after the London open, I took this buy on gold, right? So you can see I'm in profit right now, and I just entered one position, right? Let me show you on my MT5. As you can see, I just entered one position, 0.01. I'm currently in profit about $13 right now. Why did I enter this one position is because it's Friday already, and I'm trying to minimize the risks. I'm already down, right? So I just want to come back up and make little profit on this, so that next week I'll be making profit and withdrawing. So let's just see how this trade is going to play. And it's almost, all right, it's 10:58, but I'm going to be waiting for New York session, right? And once it's probably 1 to 2, I'm going to be looking for setups, right? And I'm going to be adding one more position, and hopefully I'm going to be riding this up to this area right here. As you can see where my TP is, that's where I'm going to be driving this. Hopefully it's going to get there, but I'm not sure though. But I'm just going look for entry during the New York session, and I'll add one more position, and wherever it takes me to, I'm just going to accept the profit. Even if it's not going to give me that much, I'm just going to accept the profit like that. So it is what it is. I'll keep you guys updated. All right guys, as you can see, this is what happened on gold. I just took profit, right? Immediately I take profit, gold started to drop. All right, what I saw was that I saw this reversal. Just okay, this was what I saw. Price just started to reverse from this point, right? From this point right here. Let me do this so you can see. Price started to reverse from this point. Immediately it got to this area right here. I quickly closed, right, so that I won't lose the money I already made. So now I have secured some profit. I'm going to be looking for another entry, right? As you can see, I already dropped my zone. Price will react from, and as you can see, price is already reacting from that point, right? From my MT5, you can see. So as you can see from my MT5, I closed the trade at $13 profit, right? So you can see $13 profit. That was where I closed. It was already running about $17, right? So price just started to reverse from this point, and I closed after this huge bearish candle. All right, so that's why I closed at $13. So right now I'm just going to be looking for entry during the New York session, but as you can see, price is already rejecting this area. Price is already rejecting this area from the higher time frame. Let's just see what price is going to do from this area. So I'll keep you guys updated. If I take any trade, I'm going to be showing you guys, and if I don't, I'm going to be showing you guys. All right guys, I bought gold again, right? Yeah, like I said, I'm going to be buying gold, right? I'm going to be looking for entry. So I bought gold again. Let me show you on my MT5 right now. I bought gold again, and I was like, okay, I bought gold from this point right here, as you can see it. So I still set buy limit right here. In case it's coming back down here, I'm going to be entering on a buy, right? I'm going to be entering a buy position right here again. So right now the price is not coming down at all. It came to this level and it started rejecting. So it is what it is. I'm just going to leave this one position. If it goes in profit, I'm just going to leave that one position. But if it eventually comes down to this point, then that means I'm going to be taking 2 entries, right? And hopefully it's going to go my way. Anything can still happen, but let's just see how this plays, right? Let's just see how this plays. And this is going to be the last trade for the week. All right guys, quick update on the trade I took earlier. So I took buy, and I even set buy limit, so I had to delete the buy limit, right? And the other one was just kind of consolidating, and it didn't even go into profit, so I had to just close that position, and I took the sales, right? Currently this sales is running a profit, but I'm still holding it currently. I'm still anticipating if I should close this sales or I should hold it, right? So though this will be my last trade for the day, because I already hit my max lot size. My max lot size for the day, right? It's currently, look at the profit, $9, right? And as you can see, this was the trade I took, which was the first trade, $13 win, and the second trade I told you about, it was a loss. As you can see, it was 0.01. I've been using 0.01 twice, right? Now this trade I took, I used 0.01 twice also, right? As you can see, 2 positions. So this is going to be the last trade for today. So that's the max I can go, and hoping it's going to hit TP soon. As you can see, this is where my TP is, right? Hoping it's going to hit this TP, and if it hits this TP, I'm going to be up, right? I'm going to be up in profit. So let's just see how this plays. Let's see how it plays. And today is the last day of the week. Hopefully, let's see. I just pray this works well, and I'll be in profit. And next week will be a great week. All right guys, I'm just going to update you guys if this trade hit TP or if it goes against me, and that will be it for this week. All right guys, welcome back. A quick update on the trade I took yesterday, the sales on gold, right? As you can see from my chart, the trade hits TP, right? But okay, let me show you on my MT5 what happened. So as you can see, I'm up about $6 in profit, right? I'm up $6 in profit. So from the history, as you can see, the trade I took yesterday was the buy, which was $13 win, and also I took this buy again and I lost almost $5, right? And I now take another trade, which was sales on gold, 0.01 2 positions, and I was anticipating this trade was going to hit TP to give me about $20, right? But what happened was the trade started playing with my emotions, right? As you can see, price came to this level right here. Price came down to this level right here, and let me show you. Price came down to this level right here and reversed back to my entry. I was like, whoa. I was like, let it don't be as if this thing wants to continue buying, right? And I was like, okay, I'm just gonna hold this trade, and price came back down again, right? The moment I saw this bullish candle again, this next bullish candle again, like as if it wants to go up, then I closed one position. So that's the position I closed. Yeah, this is the position, about $5.26, right? That was why I closed, and it was already running about $7 to $8 already, but I could not close at that point because I saw price trying to reverse back, and I was kind of the thing was playing with my emotions. So I just have to close this trade and leave this one to run, right? So I left that one I allowed that other trade to run, and price came to hit my TP, though by then I already removed my TP, hoping it's going to just drop from there. But when it gets to my TP, I closed automatically, like I closed manually because I wouldn't want it to go back again. And as you can see, immediately I closed the trade, price started to reverse back. Immediately I closed the trade around there, price started to reverse back, and as you can see, if I had not closed that trade, price would have gone against me. So it is what it is. I'm just happy I'm back up, right? I'm back up in profit. So next week is going to be a great week. So that will be that for this week. I hope you enjoyed this week episode, and if you love content like this, let me know in the comment section below. And if you want to get an account, you should use the link down below in the description of this video. I use Tentrade, right? So you can even use my promo code to get a discount. Just check the link down below and get an account for yourself. Peace.